Welcome, guys. Welcome. Welcome, everyone. Let's go, guys. It's NFP today. NFP, guys. It's NFP. And as you know, NFP, guys, we need to protect our accounts, okay? If you haven't traded NFP before, this is not the time to go and try it, okay? Wait for the news to be over before you try NFP. I might wait after the news today before I trade NFP. I'm not trading the news. I'll trade after the news today. I learned my lessons from FOMC last time. But yeah, I'm going to wait for the news to be up. Then we can just see if we get any zone to trade from, okay? We're going to wait for the news to be out today, guys. For me to come out, it must be another. Let's go, guys. Guys, let's double tap. Once you join the live, help me double tap, guys. Help me double tap. And hopefully make some Benjamins today, guys. New day, new energy as always, guys. New day, new energy. Where can you watch the live of NFP? Just check YouTube. Type on YouTube. You can watch on any of the lives that pop up for NFP, okay? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Like I said, guys, today I'm not trading the news. I'm trading when the news is out, okay? The news is already predicting a bullish market, so let's just hope we get into any of the zones. We've taken a trade today already. We're up 160 pips. We smashed TP3 exactly at this level at 4080. That was our TP3. We smashed it, and we are back looking for new entries, guys. There is news. I'm not trading the news. I'm trading when the news is out today, okay? That is my plan today. When the news is out, that is when I'm trading. I'm trading when the news is out. I'm trading when the news is out today. That is the plan, guys. If you are joining me, we are not trading the news, guys. We are not trading the news today. We ain't trading the news today, guys. We are not trading the news today. We are not trading the news. We are trading after the news. After the news. When the news is out. Maybe 5 minutes after the news is out, but not in the heat of the moment. We need to calm down because of what FOMC did to us, guys. We need to calm down today. And also particularly because I'm not seeing anything just yet, but I just want to see what price does in any of the zones that we have, okay? Let's go, guys. Let's go. YouTube, I hope the live is working well. I hope it's not lagging. I hope it's clear. For how long would the news be? The news just stays on for about maybe 10 minutes. The whole movement is about 5 or 2 minutes. Then the rest is just the news trying to calm itself down, okay? So the news itself comes in the heat of the moment. For about 1 minute, 2 minutes, market is gone haywire, it's gone bonkers. Let me write the time frame on the screen. But then after the news, we are going to trade maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes or whatever after the news. That is what we are going to do today. We are not trading the news in the heat of the moment because I don't have any direction just yet for the news. Okay, but I have my zones, so let's see. This is 45 minutes, not 30, guys. It's 45, and I'm using FXCM on TradingView on the chart. With the news to respect our zone, I wish I knew. If I knew, trust me, I'd have set a pending order of 2,000 lots and I just left it. But I don't know if it's to respect our zone. That is why we always need proper risk management, guys. We are not sure if the news is going to respect our zone. That is why we need proper risk management, okay? And also, we are not trading the news today. I mentioned that we are trading after the news. Maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes after the news. Once we get a good setup or price in any of our zones, we will trade it, but not in the heat of moment today. Today, I'm not seeing any setup, guys. No setup just yet for the news. Aside the zones I have. The news is coming out in 10 minutes. And if you're a newbie, when I say newbie, those who have been trading for 3 months, 6 months, 4 months, this is not for you, okay? Wait till the news is out. News is at 12:30 GMT in about 10 minutes. We have news in about 10 minutes, guys. About 10 minutes, we have the news. Show me what it feels like. No response on WhatsApp. I've replied to lots of messages. Maybe if you sent it this morning. I was cooking before I came. I've been cooking a lot. There's some chicken stew. There's some soups here and there. Just finished and I decided to come live. Because it was NFP, I didn't see why we should just be live when the news will be out very soon. Do I sing at church? Like nobody will worship in that church. My voice is not nice. I don't sing in church, guys. If I sang at church, I don't think you would want to worship God. My voice is not good, guys. My voice is not good for singing at all. I've tried everything, guys. I assume that is my voice. I have to just stick to it. What is my bias? Seriously, no bias yet, but the news is showing negative outcome for the USD. So maybe buy some gold. That is what the news is forecasting. But then I'm going to wait for my zones, guys. Already we had a buy zone here. We bought from here. There's a buy zone here. Somewhere here. This area. We bought from here. Price got to this area. 180 pips. We took our profit at 4080. That's on the trade we took this morning. If you guys check the community, I sent this setup, a buy setup here. We took the trade in the VIP. 160 pips, TP3. We raised 55 pips on that setup. We reached only 55 pips on that setup. And I'm not sure if price is still going to buy from there. But then I'm done with that zone, guys. I'm done with that zone. At least not for now. Such a beautiful voice. You guys are just... You're just vibing me. I know my voice is not good. Like for singing, it's not good. You don't have to lie to me, okay? Daco, what's up? What's up? Daco Beto. What is up? What is up? What is up? Soon Rage, I'll reply to every single message. I don't have lots of DMs on WhatsApp as at now. I replied everything. But if I've not replied to a DM, please send a DM again, okay? I should sing one line. Eish! Guys, if I sing, you all have a stop loss for NFP. My voice is that bad. But I love to sing when I'm alone. I don't know. My voice sounds nice when I'm alone. Sounds very nice. Hey, official Mega, it's been ages. How are you, Mega? How are you, Mega? How are you? How are you? Oh, Iniesta. Awesome. Also, I remember you from the VIP, the meeting, yes. How are you? How are you? I'm shy. I'm not shy, guys. I'm very outgoing. I'm not shy at all. But for the singing, yes, I'm shy. Because if I sing, you people will laugh at me. If I sing, you will laugh at me. You're in a sell because DXY, you see it's going down, but maybe you are wrong. You're not wrong for news, guys. Nobody's wrong or right for news, I'm telling you. We are not sure where the news is going to head to, so let's just make sure we have our risk in place, okay? We are not sure. Let me check if YouTube, everything looks good on YouTube. I hope it's not lagging, guys. Your bias on gold is buying. Let's see. I don't have any setup yet. I mean, any bias yet. I have my setups, and I'm just going to see how price reacts in these zones. Just let us know when to take the trade. I'm going to send a trade to the VIP as always. We took a trade this morning in the VIP. We reached 55 pips. We smashed 160 pips at TP3 exactly at 4080, which was this level. And price sold from there. So that is it. That is the only trade we've taken today, guys. That is the only trade we have taken today. Our final TP was this zone. That was our swing TP. More like a TP4. But then TP3 was here. And that was 160 pips. TP3 was exactly at this level. And I marked that level for TP3 because I didn't want us to hold all the way to this level. So TP3, we were out of this trade. We have 7 minutes to the news, guys. 7 minutes. By the way, let me ask, what is your bias for the news? Let me check in the comments. Not to confuse people, but let me just see your bias for the news, guys. I don't have a bias yet. I'm just waiting to see what markets will do. You caught TP3. Awesome. I'm glad you made money. Why does XNET chart look different from TradingView? Because there are different brokers who are giving you different candles. Someone saying draw. Someone says sell, buy. Okay, buy. Price must buy. Are you sure it must? Negative for USD means buy some gold. Let's see. Bullish. Let's see. The news is showing buys on XXX USD pairs. But we're not sure how it's going to be. So we will wait till the news is out. Today we are going to wait, not like how we always trade the news live. Today we are going to wait for the news to come out. Then maybe in about 5 minutes time we will look for a trade to take. Okay, both teams to score. You guys have turned this into a bet. Mitigate our sell zone, then dump. Let's see. Maybe we'll mitigate this buy zone and push up and then dump. I don't know, guys. But guys, the likes are too low, guys. The likes are not encouraging. 6.9k likes are not encouraging, guys. Which app do we use to detect NFP? Just type forexfactory.com, forexfactory.com, okay? You would find that on Forex Factory. We for do zone to zone today. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Today, I don't have any buyers yet. I'm going to wait till the news is out. I've already mentioned that. We are gonna wait, or me and my VIP members, we are going to wait for the news to come out before we take a trade. And by the way, if you use XNet, you can join the VIP for free. Just send a DM to the WhatsApp number on the screen and just say, hey, Abba, I want to join your XNet VIP. That's all. Precious, how are you? Precious, how are you? Today, dear man must chop. We chop already, Richard. We chop already in the VIP. We already chop in the VIP. Yasmin, I'm fine. How are you, Yasmin? Fear Forex says small sell, then buy. Let's see. Is a VIP on Telegram? It's on Telegram, yes. When you go to my Telegram channel, it's pinned in the Telegram channel. You'd find it there, guys. If you're new here, go join the Telegram channel. Link is in bio, people. Link in bio. We have 4 minutes more to the news, guys. 4 minutes more to the news. Four minutes more to the news. Yes, the VIP is for free, guys. You don't need to pay even a cent to me. If you use XNES, it's for free. If you want to pay to join a VIP, there's a payment option. But if you use XNES, it's for free, guys. It's for free if you use XNES. No call. Some of us, it disturbs us. Is you on WhatsApp? Yes, guys. Don't call me on WhatsApp, okay? Sometimes I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping in bed with my husband and people are calling me on WhatsApp. Please don't call me. Just text me, okay? I might be busy. You never know. Just text me. It's forex.com. Forex.com. Let me type it out for you. Forex.com. Forexfactory.com. Sorry. You'd find the news event there. Forexfactory.com. Just type that in your browser. We have 3 minutes more to the news, guys. I have already mentioned we are trading when the news is out, not in the heat of the moment today, okay? We are trading once the news is out. Where's my moderator? Can we call normal call, please? Guys, just test me. If it's very important, I see I need to jump on a call with you, yes, we will do that. But if you're my VIP, you can also test me on Telegram or on WhatsApp, okay? I'm going to respond to you. Yes, I'll be busy in bed sometimes. You can't be calling and just end my busy schedule. Nah, that's not gonna work. Please test me, okay? Test me, guys. That's why it says WhatsApp only. It doesn't say WhatsApp or call me or something. If I'm busy, you call me. I'll bring my anger to you. Wish you lots of Benjamins for us all. Amen. Amen. Hopefully. I'll make heaven. Amen. Guys, it's not funny. It's a serious thing I'm talking about. People call me at random times. Sometimes they just, I want to bring my anger to them, guys. I want to bring my anger to them because how can you just call me? How can you call me when I'm busy? When I'm busy, why? You call in the night too, not when, like my kids are not even back from school, in the night, and you're calling me. Because you can't get into VIP, please test me. Okay, VIP will always be there. Some things won't be there forever. Just test me, okay? When I'm still busy, I can still reply to text, but calls I can't talk. Am I trading a new I don't get it. I don't get you. But guys, we are waiting. We are waiting, guys. We are waiting. We have just few seconds to the news. 35, 34, 33, 32. We are going, guys. Calm down. Calm down, guys. Calm down. Calm down, okay? If your heart is racing, it's because you have planned to go full margin. That is why your heart is racing. It's because you have planned to go full margin on this trade. But just calm down. Calm down, people. Calm down. Calm down. You will not die from NFP. Let the news die down and we'll get set up, okay? Let the news die down. No rushing today. And like I always say, practice proper risk management. We never know how market will go. Market is pushing up. Awesome. Right from the buy zone we had here, market is pushing up. Let's see how price reacts. Market is pushing up. The news is out, guys. Definitely, I'm sure it was negative for the USD. Let me check quickly. It's pushing up. It's pushing up, guys. It's pushing up. Oh, this thing doesn't. Damn, guys. Guys, on XNES, the thing has already sold on XNES. It's sold and pushing up again. It's sold on XNES, but it's pushing up again. We are gonna wait, guys. We are gonna wait. We are gonna wait, guys. No rushing to the market today. We are going to wait. Now, bear in mind, guys, we bought from here. We had a buy zone right here. We had a buy zone here. That's what gave us the 160 pips. Our TP4 was inside the sell zone. But let's see, guys. Let's see. We had a buy zone here earlier. Let's see. We might have some reaction coming in very soon, but let's relax, guys. Let's relax. Let's relax, people. Let's relax. It's unfortunate we had our TP here. Guys, I'm not selling. I'm not selling yet, guys. I know price is in the sell zone, but I'm not selling yet. I'm not selling just yet, guys. I'm not selling just yet. Let's wait for the news to die down, okay? News was very negative for the USD. Very negative for USD. Very negative, guys. Probably more buys coming in, but let's wait. Let's just wait. From the level we bought from 406. Somewhere here. We bought from here. So this is like 550 pips from our buy zone. Like 550 pips from our buy zone. We are gonna wait, guys. We are gonna wait. No rushing. We are gonna wait today. As long as it takes, we will still make sure we make some Benjamins. But we are going to wait today, guys. How will you know if there's news today? Just check Forex Factory. We will wait today, guys. We are going to wait and we will find a trade. Most definitely. Let's just calm down. Let's calm down. In the VIP, we bought from 4064. So that was somewhere here. 4064. 4064.2. That was here. That was this level where price bought from. That's where we bought from, guys. We bought exactly from 4064.2 this morning. This area you see right here. And we've done a zone to zone. Actually, we've hit our TP4 that I sent to the VIP at 4105, which was somewhere here. 4105 was here, the tip of this zone. But we are gonna wait, guys. We are gonna wait today. Just be patient with me. Let's just wait, guys. Let's wait. Don't let the sell zone appeal to your itchy fingers, okay? Don't let the sell zone appeal to your itchy fingers. Because I do the zone, but I'm not in the trade. Just wait. I'm not in the sales. Let's wait, guys. The news was extremely negative for the USD. Extremely negative. Extremely negative. Extremely negative, guys. And I'm glad the zone we had in the morning actually played out beautifully. That is the zone we had from morning. I almost made that zone slide. But then same thing, yesterday I made my buy zone slide and that zone fetched over 1,000 pips. And I sold and price took me out. There was somewhere here, somewhere on this structure, a very small buy zone. I made this slide yesterday. So today I said, let me give my small buy zone a shot. And that is what you are seeing, guys. That buy zone has fetched significantly. Let's go, guys. Is there anyone who is still holding the sales from the VIP? Is there anyone who is still holding the sales from the VIP? Anyone still holding the buys? Sorry. Is anyone still holding buys from the VIP, guys? Anyone still holding the buys? Okay. No one is holding. I'm also not holding the buys, guys. Someone is holding. Interesting. Wow, you guys are still holding. Now you must be in crazy profits. You must be in crazy profits. Let's see this next zone, guys. Let's see this next zone. You are still holding. My VIP members are stubborn. They don't listen, guys. They don't listen. They don't listen. This was our first buy zone. We are still going to stay on till we get a trade, guys. We are still going to stay on till we get a trade. This is close to 600 pips. But guys, let's see. The TP4 was too far for your small account. It's good you took profit. You are in $750. Awesome. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Waiting for the next sell zone above. Around 4,200. Hopefully, we should get something from there. Or we will find a retracement for the buys. No worries. We are all here today. Let's see. This thing might dump afterwards. It might dump afterwards. Let's go, guys. Let's go. It's painful not to be part of it. Trust me. Some things are better left, okay? Don't worry. What was the TP? The TP I gave in the VIP was at 4105. Everything else out of this, I didn't give it. I didn't give any TP outside that. Guys, is the live lagging on YouTube? Is it lagging? If it's lagging on YouTube, TikTok might be working. It was working well on TikTok. So you can jump on TikTok and then join us live there, okay? You took 430 pounds. Awesome. Yes, guys, it could have gone the other way. It's good if you're not part of it, okay? It could have gone the other way. Someone was even selling. You never know what's happening to the person now. Sometimes you don't have to feel miserable when you miss trades. When you lose out of trades, you don't have to be miserable because of that. Just tell yourself at least your account is surviving. That is what you need to focus on. You can't find the app. It's a website, not an app. By the way, guys, 600 pips from the zone. Let me update the community. 600 plus 600 pips from the buy zone we had earlier. Oh, that is about 720. Damn, guys, can you believe it? Can you believe 720 pips from the buy zone we had in the morning? And I told you guys, I almost disregarded that buy zone. I almost disregarded the zone. I almost disregarded it. But then just look at that. I thought it was just a waste of time. That zone was too small for buys, but just look at it, guys. Let's go, guys. Plus 700 pips. Which tool do you use for the pips calculation? I use the price range tool. Let's delete this possible sell zone since we are not looking at that anymore. Let's see what market is heading to now so that we have clarity on the chart. Let's bring this down a little so we can focus on the next zone. Hope this is clear, guys. Okay, this looks fine. This is fine. This is fine. Now the zone I have here is a daily time frame zone, guys. It's a daily zone. It's a daily zone. So let's see how it goes. Let's push, let's push, let's push. Which indicator do you use for monitoring sessions? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? The sell will be so sweet. Let's see, guys. Currently, I'm just analyzing for potential re-entry for the buys or wait for the daily sell zone we have above. And with that zone, we might get price. Since the news is kind of dying, the momentum is dying down. Once price gets here, we might have the confirmation before we enter, okay? Might have some form of confirmation. By the way, guys, if you're new here, go join the Telegram channel, find the link in bio, and then join the Telegram community. It's for free, guys. Join the Telegram channel, guys. Join the Telegram channel. Let's go, let's go. Join Telegram, guys. Join Telegram. And thanks for all those following and subscribing. I appreciate it, guys. I check YouTube. I check YouTube, Shaban. I check YouTube. I do check YouTube. And by the way, guys, I'm also live streaming on YouTube. If you want to join on YouTube, you can go ahead and then follow me on YouTube also. I'm streaming on YouTube and on TikTok as always. Can someone teach you? I have a mentorship program coming up. You can join that. It's starting on 18th of July. And guys, the mentees I finished with just recently, Sunday was our last class, guys. If I tell you the setups they are doing, you won't believe it. Seriously. Like the way they analyze the charts is Richard here. Ajwa, Richard, Ouswa, Sefa. It's crazy, guys. Richard and Co are just smashing the markets. Silver, BTC, they are doing crazy. They are doing crazy. They are doing crazy things on the chart. I'm even like marveled by whatever they are doing. Makes me know I taught them well. They are doing the same thing. They have buy zones, possible buy zone, possible sell zone. And they analyze a lot of pairs. GBP, USD, they analyze BTC, they analyze silver, they analyze gold. And sometimes their zones even play out on mine. It's crazy, guys. They are doing very well. They are doing well. I taught them well. Very proud of that. How is the rain in Ghana? It's not rained today. I hear today is going to rain badly, but it's not rained yet. It's not rained yet. Richie, it's been a while. I asked of you. Hope you're well, Richmond. How can I speak with you directly? You can take the WhatsApp number on the screen and then send me a DM, okay? Do you trade live every day? Every single day, guys. I'm live every single day. Eddie, what's up? What's up? Eddie740, what's up? Can you tell us why you took the buys? Let's see if I can find some time today and do some live breakdown with you. Today. We can do that tomorrow. Tomorrow is a holiday here. It's a holiday here, but it's just very simple. I just saw three things. That is when I took that decision to buy from that zone. It's hanging here. Oh, really? Is YouTube lagging, guys? I'm in town trying to fix my phone screen, so couldn't join the live on time. Oh, Richmond, what's wrong with your phone screen? Did it fall? Did it fall? What news was there? NFP. We had NFP. We had non-farm payroll. Yeah, it's been a while, Eddie. It's been a while. How are you? So guys, someone was asking me to do a breakdown of how I caught the buys from this zone. You promised to teach us Binance. Yes, guys. So you know what? I'm going to start, okay? I'm going to start. Even today I was telling my husband I need to get started with the teaching, because every week I promise you guys we will start with the classes and like to teach you how to use Binance, how to use crypto cards. Once you withdraw, you can use crypto card, and I mean just buy anything from any part of the world, basically. Also, you can we learn about risk management. We learn about a lot, okay? Don't worry. Everything is set. The human being has to be ready, which is me. But don't worry, guys. In this July, it could even be from tomorrow or from next week. We are going to start. You can't see me on YouTube. I thought NFP was first Friday of every month. I was also surprised. Maybe because tomorrow is a holiday. It's a USD holiday. So they pushed it to today. I don't know. But it was surprising to see that NFP was today. It was on a Thursday. I saw that last week. My first big win. Oh, really? Awesome. My first big win for the year. Where is it? I can't find that message. Made $57,000 from that zone. Wow, that is a lot. That is a lot of money. From one zone, that is a lot. That is a lot of money. I'm glad you made money. You can't see me. I'm sure it's my internet, guys. But I can see myself. I see myself on YouTube, guys. It could be your network. Please check. Random marked. It could be your network. Let's see if we get to the next sell zone, guys. Let's see. You made 379 USD. Awesome, guys. I just made TP3. I didn't make TP4 and all the above. But I'm glad for all those that held. Okay, I'll do my best to talk about ABBA on social media. Thank you. I appreciate that. Your name is scary, but I appreciate that. Your name is Dangers of Hell. That is a scary name to even mention. But yeah, I appreciate that. I appreciate you wanting to talk about me on social media. I appreciate it. My capital is small, so I decided to open a cent account. Is it healthy? Is healthy for you as a beginner? Okay, cent account is good for you. It's good for you. But let's see how market goes, guys. I'm actively watching possible retests here. Oh, one mentee of mine made $379. A mentee of mine just sent it on the mentorship page. My current mentorship, the one coming up. Those in that page, someone made $379 from the buy zone. Awesome. Really glad to see you guys making Benjamins. And guys, as I'm interacting, I'm looking for setups for possible buy, retracement, or whatever, okay? Let's just see. We just have to be patient. But you know, the reason I think I'm relaxed is because I already made money in the morning. That is the reason I think I'm relaxed a little. I'm quite relaxed. And if you look at the market, guys, we're having a series of higher highs, higher lows. It shows market is kind of about to change trend. And how many of you remember I've been saying this? That we need NFP to give us about 3,000 pips. I kept on saying that from last week. Who remembers? That we need NFP to push in to bring some balance to the market. Who remembers I kept on saying that? That NFP really needs to buy from last week. Who remembers, guys? I kept on saying NFP needs to buy so that we get some balance coming into the market very soon. Because I'm able to trade very well when market is moving like in good trends and all. But when it starts moving impulsively, it's very messy for me. You remember? Yes. So let's see. Because already we're having series of higher highs and higher lows. Let me show you guys. So it starts from down here. You can't see it, okay? But we have price pushing up here to form a high, pushing down here to form a low, pushing up here to form a higher high, pushing down to form a lower low, a higher low, sorry. We are pushing up to form probably a new higher high. We might push down to form a higher low or here to form a higher low. We can never tell, but let's see. Either way, we are still going to get possible entries. Maybe even back again from this buy zone. Let's see. Just based on structure. I'm just saying based on structure. By the way, guys, if you use XNS, go join the free Telegram channel. And also, if you use XNS, you can join my VIP for free. We took these buys in the VIP this morning. And we fetched some good profits from there. We fetched some good profits from that zone. We fetched some good profits from the zone. We didn't even risk much for this zone. We didn't risk a lot. But the zone produced all of this move we see here. That small zone produced all of that move. Can we enter sell? If you see sells, you can go in for it, okay? I'm just waiting. I'm playing the waiting game here today with the market. There's no structure forming as at now. There could be possible sells coming in because we formed a new higher high. Let's see if we're able to form a higher low or something. Possible sells, but it's risky. It's risky, guys. Possible sells coming in, but it's risky. It's risky. It's risky. It's risky. It's very risky, guys. Somewhere from 4130, this area, but it's very risky. I'm not taking that. Not taking that. I'm not taking that. Because per what I see on my chart here, M5 is giving some good confirmation, but no, guys. Let me even remove the red line. I'm not going for it. Not going for that. But guys, we'll still catch a good trade. No worries. We are still going to catch a good trade today. No worries. We caught a good trade today, actually, but we might catch another trade also. Let's not force the market. Let's just wait for the zones, guys. Let's wait for the zones. Ugandans who use Vantage, why is it failing to withdraw through crypto? Just bank transfer. Future trader, send me a DM. Let me find out what the issue is. Send me a DM. But you use XNS, right? Uganda. XNS works in Uganda. Why don't you use that? Yes, price will come to us. We have to just wait. We've got to wait, guys. Price is gonna come to us, baby. We just need to wait. We need to wait. We need to wait. But it's been a good day today, guys. It's been a good day. It's been a good day. Been a good day, guys. It's been a good day. Not good to you. Did you sell? Did you sell, Rach? Were you selling with NFP? You know, the reason sales would have been risky was the structure market has been giving now. Very bullish, guys. That's the reason I kept on saying from last week that I'm looking for about 3,000 pips of buys from NFP. I'm just hoping that we push up more because all of that impulsive move for FOMC is crazy for the market. Market has to really correct that move. Market has to correct that whole FOMC move. Can you explain what crypto card is? Don't worry, when we start the classes, I'm going to show you guys, okay? I'll show you guys. Dio Trends, how are you? How are you? I see you. How are you? Today I was waiting for you, but you didn't show up in the morning. It was because of NFP, guys. That is why we took a trade in the morning. The trade, this buy. We took this buys in the morning at 4064.2. We took the buys from here, guys. We took the buys from 4064.2. Hashtag, you will. You're trading synthetics. Synthetics is not for the faint hearts. Not for the faint heart. I know where market is actually selling from. This level here. There's a level here. It tapped that zone. It tapped this area here. It's on the 45 minutes. You see it clear on the 45 minutes on FX here. It's selling from that level. How can we predict the news? Give us a lesson. Should I say you should join a mentorship? But then I have videos of that on YouTube, okay? My YouTube has lots of materials that can help you. And also you can join the mentorship program coming up on the 18th of July. We already have so many people in that mentorship waiting. Every morning they are always coming on the page, typing there, they can't wait. And I'm very excited for this mentorship because the mentorship batch I handled for the past 3 months, they've actually, they've I wish one of them were on the live, actually. Seriously, the setups they are doing, guys, it's marvelous. I won't lie to you. It's marvelous. They are doing so well. This is their page, guys. They are doing so well. The setups they send, I don't know if you guys can see, but they are doing so well with that mentorship. They are doing so well in there. So well. One lady even has the same setup like me. When I say setup, in terms of my candles, my zones, sometimes I think that is even my own setup. It's crazy. That is really the beauty of mentorship. Because they do the same things like I'm doing. Everything I'm doing, the same thing. Can't wait to be like them. Are you in the mentorship? Damaye, are you in the mentorship? Or what is your name? What is your name in the mentorship? So that maybe I can see if I'll remember you. I don't know your TikTok name. Let's go, guys. Let's go. The mentorship, guys, it's not for free. The mentorship is not for free. And it's for 3 months, guys. It's for 3 whole months. So for 3 months, every weekend you are with me. During the week, I'm with you on the page. We are interacting, we are chatting, checking your setups. It starts from beginner. So whether you're a new person, you have no idea about trading, you don't know what is Forex. I start from that level. No matter your level in that mentorship, I start from scratch. Then we all build and move together to the advanced level, and then we learn the strategy in the end. Okay? Yeah, market is selling, guys. It's selling from the level 4130. This was the re-entry I got from 4130. Already gone over 100 pips from that area. But let's hope we come to any of our zones, guys. Let's hope. If we don't get any potential entry, that'll be it, guys. But I'm hoping we might come back into this buy zone again. We might come back into the buy zone again. Or to the sell zone price broke out of. The sell zone we had here, we might come back into that same zone also. But for now, I'm just waiting, guys. I'm waiting for any of the zones on the screen. Any of the zones. Yeah, guys, if you don't join this mentorship, trust me, you might regret not joining. I'm telling you. And I'm not saying it because I want you to join. It's because of how well you will improve. Not just in terms of the chat, but psychologically, your discipline. Because I talk to you in the mentorship, trust me. It's Richard here. Richard or Sefa. Do I have any of them on the call? On the live? Richard or Sefa? Someone said my Lamborghini money. Next time I'll be more courageous and risk. That is one of my mentees. She had the gold buy perfectly from that level. And she smashed her full TP. Awesome. Hey, someone is also selling gold. My mentee, guys, can you believe it? She's selling gold from here. I didn't even see it. She's selling gold directly from this level at the top. That is beautiful. That is so beautiful. Ajwa, if you're on the call, if you're on the live, let me hear from you, okay? Let people know how this mentorship has really impacted your life. If Sefa is here, if Richard is here, Owusua, let me hear from you guys. My mentees are busily selling. They are selling gold, and I'm here watching gold. And just like I said, price came to tap the zone we had. The sell zone price broke out of. It came to tap that zone. How much is the mentorship? Guys, it's 500. If I start mentioning money, TikTok is going to flag the live. But yeah, it's 500 USD for 3 months. And after the 3 months, you still have me for 1 year. I'm still on the page with you. This current batch, I'm done with them, but I'm still with them. I'm still with them on the page. Still interacting with them. Nah, Ajwa, you need to come on the live, Ajwa. Let me just test any of them. They are doing so well. Seriously, they are doing well, guys. They are doing well. My mentees are doing well. Crazy. Their setups insane, guys. Someone has BTC, gold, Bitcoin again, gold. It's crazy. Is Sefa here? Sefa, are you on the live? Yes, Richard. Soon. Price hit the sell zone on silver. You analyze on Monday. Oh, really? Let me check. Someone said price hit the sell zone I give on silver on Monday. Let me just check silver quickly. Oh, yes, guys. Price hit the sell zone. Silver has been very good this week. We did a zone to zone on Monday. Price pushed up. So where silver is buying from is where we had our buy zone actually. And it's pushing to the sell zone. It's inside the sell zone. Awesome. Let's check BTC also. BTC also actually sold from the sell zone we had on Monday. Fantastic. Let me check GU. GU broke the sell zone. It broke the upper sell zone. EU is actually selling now from the sell zone we had on Monday too. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Very impressive. Okay, Sefa, sure. I know Ajwa won't come. Ajwa won't come on the live. But it's Richard here. My mentees are doing well, guys. Seriously. When I'm saying that, it's just because I'm happy with their progress. Most of them didn't even know anything about the chart, how to analyze the chart. But now they are doing zone to zone like me. They are doing possible sell zone, possible buy zone. And it's playing out beautifully, guys. Using the confluences, our entry criteria. Very nice. Very nice. You're waiting for any of the zones today, guys. Any of the zones on the screen. That is what we are waiting for. That is what we are waiting for. Already price bought from our buy zone. Let's see how this goes. But guys, as we wait, if you have any question, you can ask in the comments, okay? Any question at all. Any question. And guys, like I mentioned, I'll be starting some classes very soon. There's no mentorship class. This more like helping you stay disciplined as a trader, okay? helping you stay disciplined. It's not really about the chat. So sometimes you might do some chat stuff, but it's not like mentorship, okay? It's not a mentorship program. So I'll be coming live mostly to just answer questions, just educate you guys, or just for us to discuss things on risk management, on discipline, on psychology, basically those stuff. Account management, not as at now, okay? But it depends on how much you are talking about. You can send me a DM to the WhatsApp on the screen. And if you use XNES, guys, get into the VIP. You would have been in this trade if you were in the VIP, because this signal was sent to the VIP group. And it's for free, guys. If you use XNES, the VIP group is for free. VIP channel is for free if you use XNES. It's for free if you use XNES. Bonjour, ma soeur. Bonjour, mon frère. Comment vas-tu? Can we still sell silver? I'm not checking silver for confirmations now. I can't help with silver for now. Let's go, guys. Let's go. But Telegram doesn't want to verify my account for the free channel. Is it a free VIP or for the channel itself? What are you talking about? Is it for the VIP or for the channel? Let me know, okay? So I can help you. VIP, okay. Send me a DM, okay? Send me a DM. Guys, we are still waiting. We are still waiting for the sell zone above there or any of the zones you see below, okay? Our first zone for the day played out over 700 pips. This area here, over 700 pips. So let's wait for any of the zones on the screen. If you have questions, guys, just type. Can US clients use XNES? No, you can't. But then if you are in US, but then you are from Africa or you are from any part of the world that use XNES, I can help you get an XNES account, okay? I can show you how you can get it, not me helping you to get it. You missed this trade today because market maker don't sell for that zone. I don't get it. This trade here, we didn't miss it. We took this trade. We took this trade in the VIP. We took it. We took the buys you see on your screen in the VIP, guys. Just have to check for my name. Ajay, I don't get you. Do you have an issue? Let me know, okay? UK, if you're in UK, if you're in any part of Europe actually, or in some parts of Asia that don't use XNES, send me a DM, okay? Your comments are not answered. Maybe I haven't seen it. Let me scroll back and then see. Oh, you've not done me any wrong. Guys, sometimes the comments they keep on moving up, so I'm not able to read everything. Oh, come on, you've not done anything. Don't worry. If you have done something, I'll let you know. You've not done anything, okay? Just ask your question again so I can help you with an answer. If you're in UK, just send me a WhatsApp, okay? I'll find a way for you to join the VIP for free. And just send a DM, guys. If you use XNES, just send a DM. Just send a DM, guys. You don't understand the numbers here. Rich, can you be clear? Which numbers are you talking about? Can you help with XNES? What exactly, Equia? What exactly? Let me know, okay? If you're in UK, send me a DM. If you're in UK, you can still join the VIP for free. Just send a DM. Those 4-1. Okay, so what you see here are the prices, okay? Yeah, the prices. The prices for USD. More like the codes. These are the codes, okay? The codes. So it's, I don't know how to explain. It has to start from currency pairs and base currency and quote currency. But when it comes to trading the forex market, we trade currencies in pairs, or we trade a financial instrument in pairs, okay? For forex, we trade them in pairs. Now, in currency pairs, we have something we call the base currency and then the quote currency. So let's say you have USD JPY, right? So USD JPY, the first currency that appears in the pair is called the base currency. The second one, which is JPY, is the quote currency. Now, when you come to the charts, the prices you see on this side, okay, this side of the chart, the right side here, they are the quote prices for the base currency. I don't know if you get it. So it's more like how much you need, okay, to get just one value or 1 unit of the quotes. I don't know if it's clear for you. Do you understand, Rich? Do you get it? Do you get it? Okay. So the prices, when you go on your chart, the price you see always are the price that have been quoted, okay, against the base currency. So in this case, we are trading XAUUSD. USD is the quote. So the prices you see here are actually in USD. Do you understand? So it just simply means that how much you need of USD to get 1 ounce of gold. I don't know if it's 1 ounce, but 1 ounce of gold, it means currently you're going to need 4,120, the current price now, okay? So how much you're going to need in terms of quote currency to get 1 unit of the base currency. Whatever you see here is the quote price, whatever you see there. It's a lot, but we teach all of that in the mentorship. That is why you have to join the mentorship, guys. These are just beginner stuff, nothing. The real one is getting to the strategy aspect, okay? I'm in UK, but I want Xness. Okay, send me a DM, okay? I'll help you out with that. I can tell you are Ghanaian, so it won't be a problem you having Xness, okay? Just send a DM. I'll guide you through how you can do that. I've seen several WhatsApp messages, guys. No worries. I'm going to reply to every single thing. I've seen every single WhatsApp message on my screen here. Account management, send a DM, okay? Fantini, send a DM. I like your name, Fantini. Were you a mentee of Kojo? No, I wasn't a mentee of Kojo. So I joined Kojo's beginner class, just about what is Forex and other stuff. But I wasn't like a mentee under him, no. The first ever class I ever joined when I began Forex was a Kojo Forex class. It was a beginner class. But I'm not a mentee of Kojo. And even with that class, I didn't even join for long, guys. The first day of the class, I was cooking. I think the class was cancelled. It was in March. Was it March? I'd already started trading, but then I saw his class was up. It was somewhere in March. I joined the class. I think they cancelled the class, and then they moved it to another date. I joined. I was cooking in the kitchen, and I just had the phone on, just listening. And that was it. The following day, I didn't attend the class, but I watched the videos. For that class. And that class really helped me understand a lot of things. I mean, what is Forex? The beginner aspect of trading. It helped me understand some stuff. This was almost 5 years ago, guys. Almost 5 years ago. And here I am today. Gold is moving slow. But there could still be some massive movement coming in. Because New York is about to open, guys. New York will be opening soon. It's currently 1:13 GMT. When it's 1:30 GMT, 1:30, right? New York opens, the market might actually start moving crazily. How long did it take for you to be profitable? It's been 1 year and 3 months and I'm not profitable. 1 year and 3 months, that is a long time. That is a long time, actually. So it doesn't really matter with how long. People will tell you need about 2 years to stay profitable. But I always say you need a good mentor, okay? Everything comes down to having a good mentor. If you have a good mentor, the mentor is able to guide you well. I started without having any guidance. I was moving. Now you guys know my story now. You know my story. Where I lost all my monies, lost my husband's monies, lost my, everything. I was literally a broke person. I had to beg my mom to even get some money because I didn't want to tell my husband I'd blown my money. Because I didn't have a mentor, right? But then I doubt my current mentees, those I'm just mentoring at the moment, they'll be making some of the mistakes I made. Because I've taught them, I've explained a lot of things to them, I've shared my experience, my mistakes, the things I didn't do, the things I did that hurt me. And every single day when we meet, I'm always hitting on those things about moving at your own pace, about the things not to do. And that sticks in your mind. I didn't have those words coming to me when I started. So with that, it will take you a while. But if you have a good strategy, you have a good mentor, that is it. Trust me. Good strategy, good mentor to help you develop your discipline, your psychology, you are good to go. You are good to go. Trust me. But 1 year, 3 months is a lot of time. I won't lie. It's a lot of time. And most of you gauge profitability based on short term. Like this week we made losses. Hey, last 2 weeks we made losses. You are basing profitability on short term. Now compare that short term to long term, okay? How long you've been trading. You might be making profit, you might have made money over the past month, but then because you've made losses for some 2 weeks, you feel like you're unprofitable. That is not so, guys. That's just the market sometimes. So don't think about or don't define profitability based on some 2 weeks or some 3 weeks losses. Think long term. Long term, have you been profitable? If you have, yes, it means you are profitable. Just something might not be going well within that 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It could be market changing conditions, market structure changing, your strategy not responding well to the market. Those are seasons that come in the market. Those times you have to just adjust, but you don't have to say you're unprofitable. You have to adjust the market conditions. But 1 year, 3 months, you should have been profitable. Trust me, you should have. You really should have. I paid for mentorship somewhere and all I got were PDFs. Yes, we paid a lot. I'm also a victim. I've shared my story here before. I paid mentorship to someone. The person actually gave, he was even quite good. He met with us just once. The rest, not even videos, guys. Books, theories, books from Trading in the Zone. How am I going to use Trading in the Zone to come and analyze the charts? I know that helps with psychology, but how am I going to analyze the chart if I don't even have any technical background? Now, this same person reaches out to me after 4.5 years to tell me, hey, I can see you are doing good. Keep the fire burning. This same guy, I paid him money from Nigeria. So yes, if you talk about mentorship, you paying money and people not giving you the value you pay for your mentorship, trust me, I perfectly understand. I was hassling this guy that, okay, you know what, I pay the money to you, but you know something, give me half and you take the rest. The guy said no, the money is not refundable. Because obviously I could tell that this guy wasn't teaching. He's just taking our money, but he wasn't teaching us anything. So I was like, okay, let it be a win-win for us. You take the money, okay? Take half, give me half. You take some. The guy said no. I was begging this guy on WhatsApp, guys. I was begging him, just give me $100 from the money. The guy said no. That's when I realized that, I messed up. I paid to the wrong person. I followed social media profit instead of seeing if the person can actually trade. Because he was posting 15,000 profit. I remember 15,000 so well because that was the profit I saw as a beginner. That enticed me to go and pay for his mentorship. Not knowing, guys, he was showing me demo. $15,000 was showing me demo. I was begging him. He said, no, I won't give you your money. Recently, the messages I was sending, I ended up going to his Instagram to also send a message to him on Instagram to tell him, you know what, please give me some of my money. I need some. You didn't teach me, but give me some of my money. The guy said no. He didn't reply. Not like he even said no. WhatsApp, he said no, but on Instagram, he didn't reply. After 4 years, he comes back to that same message. I don't know how he even found out about me. But he opened my Instagram and then came to reply me. He's not following me, one. I'm not following him. I won't mention his name. He's not following me. I'm not following him. But then somehow, he went back to open message from 4.5 years ago and came to reply, oh, I'm sorry. I didn't see your message early. What's it called? Keep the fire burning. And I told him that people are like you are the reason why I actually took Forex serious. Because I realized that I had no hope anyway. I had no hope. I actually replied to him. If he's watching me, I want him to know I'm pained by that thing he did to me. But I'm over it, guys. I'm over it. It's all part of the process, okay? It's part of the process. And guys, yes, I said, well, don't worry. it's past and gone, and I managed to take trading serious and I leveled up. He was like, yes, you definitely leveled up. I'm happy and proud of you. Keep the fire burning. After how many years? This is our message, guys. After how many years? This is my message from years ago. This message. Then he comes to reply after 4 years, guys. Keep the fire burning. Which fire? Did you give me any fire? You gave me pains. But you see, if you talk about not having value for your mentorship, I understand you clearly. I've been a victim, and because of that experience, not once, not twice, I told myself I was never going to replicate that same thing. I wish I had some of my mentees on this call. They wouldn't want to speak, obviously. I even tried testing some of them to come and speak on the live. Most they said, nah. But my mentorship, I actually get time to teach you. I'm telling you guys. My mentorship group, guys, the way they trade there. Oh, okay, I shouldn't mention your name. Okay, my mentee said, nah, they don't want their names here. But guys, they are doing fantastic. If I show you their setups, see, these are their setups, guys. Setups they are sending every single day to the mentorship. You won't believe it. They are sending crazy setups. Just look at it. Or is it like this? These are their setups, guys. Setups, see, just look at them. They are sharing setups there every day. Every single day, guys. They are doing so well. So trust me, if you join my mentorship, I'm going to do my best to help you grow, because that is really how we make an impact, okay? I don't want to have a bad name where someone says, oh, I paid money to Abba and Abba. Nah, that feeling is not good, because I had a miserable feeling. Use all my last money for mentorship, and 4 years later, the person tells me keep the fire burning because they realize I had made it. I didn't die. I made it. They realized I was surviving and I was doing very well. And I shared that story with you guys. This guy, the one I just showed you, his best friend. So he introduced me to his best friend for account management. And I gave my money to his best friend to trade for me. This is funny, guys. So I gave him a prop firm and I gave him a live account, okay? My personal funds and then prop firm for him to trade. Now, he blew the personal funds. And he told me to fund again so that he can grow the account again. I said, this guy, you're not correct. Now, my only hope was with the prop firm. So I told him that, okay, you know what? You've blown the money, right? Make sure this prop firm will pass. And then we'll have a profit split deal. He said, okay, let's say I bought the account around this time. That was my last money, actually. So I stayed up all day watching the account to make sure that whatever trade he placed on the account, I'm aware. The whole day, no trade was placed. No trade was placed on the account, bear in mind. And then after about, around 1 a.m. Ghana time, which would be around 2 a.m. Nigerian time, I saw a trade. I couldn't sleep because, guys, that was my last hope. I was asleep, but the account was open like this, just so that I would know whatever is happening. I was asleep. I woke up and I saw CHF JPY. I said, Jesus, which currency pair? I've never traded CHF JPY before. And I realized this guy was entering one lot, 1.5. Guys, that was crazy for me. I was like, okay, he's a professional trader. I'm a beginner. Maybe he knows what he's doing. Guys, one lot. And the price will be hitting the stop loss. Then he will ship the stop loss again. I said, wow. And guys, the accounts blew. Then he tested me. Did you give the logins to anyone? I said, you are mad. Did I give logins? It's only me and you that have the logins. Why come to ask me? And I've never traded CHF JPY. Why come to tell me if I've given the logins to anyone? It is you. Pay me my money. He and his friend, they didn't pay my money till today. Now, last year, he reached out to me. Last year, like almost every year, he reaches out to me. This is the guy's best friend. He also has a community. But it's not a big community. He reached out to me and was like, hi, just to let you know, I'm still available for account management. And I told him, people like you, I told him the same way, people like you are the reason I took Forex serious. Because I realized I didn't have any hope. And I told him that I think he needs to learn more. By God's grace, I have YouTube now. I share my educational stuff there. So he can go to YouTube and learn more. Because whatever he did some years back was horrible for me. And he said, okay, that was all. Until his friend told me, yeah, you've leveled up. It's crazy, guys. Some of you go and just pay monies to the wrong people. You follow Lamborghinis and flashy stuff and pay your money to the wrong people. Lifestyle is good, trust me. Lifestyle is very good. It motivates. It elevates your mindset, your perspective about Forex. But if the person hasn't demonstrated over time that they can understand the chart, they can explain to you, they can show you how they come about their zone, they can trade it live with you. Not like once or twice or some. I mean, one you can be lucky, twice you can be lucky, 3 times you can be lucky, but consistently you can't be lucky for 100 times. Nah, definitely you mess up at a point. So make sure consistently the person has demonstrated consistently that they're able to show that they can trade, okay, before you pay mentorship to anyone. And I always say, if you want to join my mentorship, you're welcome. You're welcome, guys. Nana Kofi, you just blew your account. What happened, Nana Kofi? Thought we all agreed we will wait on the live for any of the zones, because gold is out of nowhere now, guys. It's just out of nowhere. Nana Kofi, what happened? Someone said fund again. That is the spirit, guys. That is the revenge spirit, the revenge trading spirit. Do you have any experience from Ghanaian mentor? No, guys. Honestly, I've not had any experience with a Ghanaian mentor. Nah, I've not had any experience. Oh, that's and not like because I come from Ghana, but I've not had any negative experience with any Ghanaian mentor. No, I've not. You just funded again. Hey, Nana Kofi. Nana Kofi, are you safe? Are you safe? Nana Kofi, are you safe? You blew your account just now and you funded again. In Dubai, it's serious. When you follow them, you waste your money and time. Some of them, yes, guys, because you are following lifestyle, you're not following the charts. Lifestyle will motivate you, but you know, your technicals is what will give you the money. Lifestyle motivates you, trust me. Your prayer today is to hit my SL. Nah, I want you to make money. What did you pay for mentorship? I don't get it. Do you mean money? Or what did I pay? Definitely I paid money. Can you fund a blown account? Definitely. The account is just there. But you know, there's something I always advise my VIP members. And by the way, guys, if you use XNet, you can join the VIP for free. If you use XNet, you can join the VIP for free. And in my XNet VIP, I always tell them, once you realize that an account is not helping you with your psychology, it's not being healthy for your mindset, create a new trading account. The trading accounts are there for you for free. You can create as many as you want. Create a new account. The money that is left in the old account, transfer it to the new account and start afresh. I say accounts that have a massive drawdown. Someone said they are cursed accounts. And it's true sometimes. Those accounts almost always ends up getting blown. If you lose some money, okay, or you're in massive drawdown and your psychology is getting affected, go and create a new trading account. Even if you can do that now, create a new trading account, transfer the funds to it, and then just focus on the new account. Your mind is going to translate it as it's a fresh account. You're not going to revenge trade. You're not going to focus on recovering the losses. I don't know if it's clear. So create a new trading account. If you're in drawdown, transfer the funds in the old account to the new account, okay? And trade with a peaceful mind. All right? We have 2 minutes for New York to open, guys. 2 more minutes for New York to open. Hopefully we get some volatility coming in. Silver is selling from our sell zone from Monday. EU is selling from our sell zone from Monday. GU, not yet. BTC sold from the sell zone, and gold has been smashed massively. Since you are profitable, have you blown your account before? Hey, I surrender. I was the master blower of accounts every day. If I don't blow accounts in a day, I don't feel okay. Those times, I feel like, nah, something is... You know, when you're a beginner, you always feel like every moment there needs to be like an activity needs to happen on your account. You need to see some green or blues on your, I don't know, some reds or blues. It's normal with a beginner. And it used to happen to me a lot. I was blowing accounts every day and I was funding like Nana Kofi. I'll blow and I'll fund right afterwards. There's a time I deposited, I blue funded, until I realized I had funded close to $1,000 in about 10 minutes, guys. You won't believe it. Because I had lost an account and my psychology was all over the place. I was depositing again to recover the lost money, then I will lose it. Then I'll go back to my Momo, fund again, lose it, go back to Momo, fund again, lose it, 1,000 CDs, fund again, lose it. I went to check, guys, I had lost $1,000. And that same account, the following day, I funded again. By the time I realized, guys, I had deposited $2,912. I remember, $2,912. And I said, nah, I need to leave this account. I need to archive it. Let me archive this account. Let me archive that. So I archived the account and I paused trading for 2 days. And I created a new trading account, funded it, and then started afresh. Seriously. If you want an account blower, it is me. It is me. I can teach you how to blow accounts without struggling, okay? Because I've been there before. And I can also teach you how to stay profitable without struggling also. How can I join for free? Do you mean the VIP? If you use XNet, just send a DM, okay? Send a WhatsApp just now to join the VIP. You've blown 2 accounts. You're not alone. You're not alone. You're not alone, guys. We've all been there. It's actually been a while since I blew my account, to be honest. It's been a long time that I say I'm blowing my 10K or my 15K account. Nah. But if it's $100, I can just fund 100, fund 500, fund 800 and flip. If I lose that one, I don't consider that as blowing account because I'm trying to flip it. So already before I deposited, I knew that I'm flipping this account. Flipping means I'm going full margin. But on my main account, I move conservatively on that account. I take my time. If I'm trading my big account, my 20K account, my 15K account, I go slow, guys. I don't even go full margin on those ones because those are monies that I'm hoping to grow, hoping to withdraw from every day, right? But if it's $100, $500, $800, you can flip it. You have blown $514 in total. $514 is really nothing if you ask me. It's nothing if you ask me, but then it depends on how much you're also talking about, how much you have, okay? Just make sure you always practice proper risk management, guys. It looks like a cliche where people say practice proper risk management. But trust me, practice proper risk management on your account. Like I always say to the VIP members, I tell them, have different accounts for different purposes. Have an account that you're using to feed yourself daily. Let's say you want to be withdrawing, if you're in Ghana, let's say you want to be withdrawing 200 cedis for food every day, right? Have an account that maybe $100 account or $200 account or $500 account. Let's say you have $2,000 or you have $1,000 and you want to trade it. And you know this $1,000, that is your hope. Like your whole life, that is your $1,000 left. Don't put that money in one trading account. Segregate it. Have an account down for daily food, right? Because you know if that $1,000 is gone, you might not be able to eat. So take some of the money, maybe $200 down in a different account for food. If maybe you want to buy fuel or your kid's diaper or something, have another $200 down from the $1,000 for diapers. Now you'll be left with $600. Then you can trade that $600 conservatively. Then the other ones, you know you have a target of $20 daily for food, right? So once you hit $20 on your account, 200 cedis, withdraw that money. You're done with that account for the day. Then the one for your kids' diapers, let's say your kids' diapers cost maybe 300 cedis or 400 cedis. That is like $40 for the month. You get that money, you're done with that account. That is how you should think with accounts. Not to put all of them in one account and then you're jumping in full margin. Please, please, please. Segregate your accounts, okay? For different purposes. I have different accounts for different purposes. My main account is what you guys see every day. My other accounts are what I use for my daily stuff. Maybe I need to buy fuel today. I need to buy this today. I need to do this today. I have accounts for that. I need to go and buy a new tripod. I need to go and buy a new lens. I have an account for those kind of, miscellaneous. But I don't use my big account with all my hopes or all my needs into my big account. Nah. The big account is for a purpose. You guys know the purpose for that account already. The big account is for a purpose. I've said it several times here. You know the purpose of the big account. How many accounts can I open on XNet? You can open several accounts, guys. Just make sure you have funds in them, or after about a week, it's going to be archived by the system, okay? You can open several trading accounts, guys. If you want to know how to open trading accounts, go to my YouTube. I have several videos there, my YouTube short videos, how to open new XNS accounts, trading accounts. I have several videos there on how to do that. How do you trade different accounts in a day? So let's say I take a trade on gold, right? I can trade gold on all my accounts, across all my accounts. Let's say this buy, take it on my small account, take it on my main account, take it on my big account. Let's say they sell here, I'll take it on my small account. Then once this gets to, let's say I use 0.05 for the buy here, it gets to, let's say, about 40 pips. That should be like $20, right? I close it because that is my purpose for that account. Let's say another account, I need just $5 on it. Once it gets there, I close it. My main account, let's say I need $2,000 for the day. If it gets there, I close it. I'm done. So it's based on how much you are hoping to get on every account per day. And don't have high expectations for all accounts. That you have a $100 account and you want to make $500 on it in a day. That's going to take you risking hard, going full margin, trying to flip it. And with that, it also comes with risks. I hope you understand. New York is open now. Let me just check something quickly. I'll get back to you guys. Let me check something quickly for New York. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm checking New York quickly. Let me just see what market is trying to do. Okay. Let's see. Let's just see something. Guys, I'm trading from only my zones today, okay? I just have this level down because New York has opened. We might get a rejection from this whole area. Let me just check. On the 10 minutes, this whole area, we might have some rejection coming in. But I'm just going to wait to see what New York will do, okay? That's area on the screen. So let's just see what New York will do. New York has opened. Let's see what New York will do from that area. Am I in a trade? No, not yet. Not yet. But our buy zone is what is still running. The buy zone is still running, guys. The buy zone is still running. Tomorrow I have to go and fix my nails and do my hair. So I might not be live tomorrow for long. Yes. Tomorrow is even a bank holiday. I'll come live, but not really for us to trade, okay? How do I join my account together so that when I take a trade, it will reflect in all? You need a copy trader then. You need a copy trader. And guys, I'll be launching my copy trader very soon, okay? Very soon. I have a copy trader. I'll be launching it very soon. But I need market to really start reacting well to my zones, like I was doing in May and early parts of June before we launched that, okay? So don't worry. Those that want to copy my trades, I have a system developed for you guys. It's like the bot, okay? The bot system, but it's not a bot that will be trading. It is the setups I will take that will reflect on your account, okay? The same trades I take. It is not a bot that will be trading for you. Please keep that in mind. Once it's out, I'll let you guys know. It's actually ready. It's been ready for like the past 3 weeks. But then we are still testing it out with live accounts, okay? Every trade I'm taking now is still on the copy trader. But we are testing it out. So just hang in there. I'll get back to you guys when it's ready, okay? Just hang in there. And if you're under my XS partner, you get a cool discount, okay? A cool discount. A cool one. So don't worry, guys. I'm going to roll that out very soon. New York is already rejecting from this zone I was looking at. Let's see. Today might be the last proper trading day of the week because tomorrow is a bank holiday. So you have just today to make sure you make some money or you stay out of the market. You've got just today. How is it going to be? Copy trader, you just need to connect your account to my account. That is all. Connect your account to my account. That is all. So whatever trade I'm taking, you're taking the same thing. You're getting the same stop loss. When I'm setting break even, it's reflecting on your account also. Okay. And with that, I'm going to have a different account down for that purpose so that we can really manage the trades well. Okay. I'll have a different account for myself down for only the copy trader, so that we can all track the progress. After a year, you can all go and track the progress of the copy trader. No, we're not splitting profits, guys. It's your own money. Once you make the money, it's yours. You could just have to withdraw it. Just that it's based on subscription, okay? You don't need to link again. Nah, you don't need to. Don't worry. When it's out, I'll let you guys know the process. Don't worry at all. We are still developing it. We are still developing that. I'm using Xness. How can I join your VIP group? Send a DM, okay? To the WhatsApp number on the screen. Just send me a DM. Mr. Rogun, I just saw your message. Are you on the live, Mr. Rogun? Are you on the live? It's been a while. Are you on the live, Mr. Rogun? I'm using Xness. How can I join your VIP? So guys, there are two ways you can join the VIP, okay? You can go to my Telegram channel now. Go to my Telegram channel, tap on the link in my bio, and go to my Telegram channel. Once you go there, you see a message pinned in the channel. It's pinned at the top of the channel, okay? Follow the instructions there to join the VIP. If that is stressful for you, you can send me a DM on the screen, to the WhatsApp number on the screen, and I'll also reply to you, okay? Oh, okay. Awesome. I just saw your message. I'll call you when I'm done, Mr. Ogun. I'm gonna call you. I'm under a different partner and I can't change. How do I join you? You can still change and join me, okay? It's not a difficult process. You can still do that. Awesome, Mr. Ogun. I'm going to call you after this. Let me remind Siri to tell me to call you. Hey Siri, remind me to call Mr. Ogun after the live at maybe 2:30 p.m. Awesome. Hey, about tough weeks. Do you hope markets will return to obey us? Markets already obeyed from this zone. This is over 800 pips. By 800 pips, let me check. But this week hasn't been bad for us, guys. This 750 pips. The week hasn't been bad for us. We just had some losses yesterday. Just one loss yesterday, actually. We had one loss yesterday. We had 75 pips yesterday. On Monday, we had a sell on Tuesday, which went 1,000 pips. Monday, we had a trade that went close to 300 pips. So just yesterday, we had one loss. We've had one loss so far for the week. Every single trade has hit TP beautifully. Just one loss the whole of this week. So let's hope market starts responding, because I need NFP to move about 3,000 pips actually for some good correction to come in from that whole impulsive move from FOMC. So don't worry, Irene. Market is still gonna come back, okay? For today, I'm looking at the zones on the screen, so let's just wait. I'm in no trade yet, guys. And if I leave the live, I'm going to send a signal to only the VIP if I find a trade. That is why I'm still live with you guys. My VIP members are priority for me. Seriously, they are priority for me, guys. My VIP members are priority. Those in my Xness VIP, my paid VIP, they are priority for me. Priority for me. They are priority for me. Because my aim is to really make an impact in those people's lives so that long term, by the end of the year, they can actually say, I was with Abba and I grew. That is really what I'm hoping to impact in people's lives this year. From the VIP, across the paid VIP, the Vantage VIP, the Xness VIP, to make sure I've made an impact in people's lives long term, okay? So I see them like my family, like my immediate trading family. And on Sundays, we meet Every Sunday evening, we meet to discuss for the week. Everyone talks, guys. If you want to speak, if you want to unmute and talk, you go ahead and unmute and speak during the meeting. Share ideas, discuss, plan for the week, how to make money, how to profit from the setups. We just discuss the bad things that people did on the account. We just have fun there, guys. We interact, learn, educate, and have fun. It's called the Traders Roundtable Meeting. The Traders Roundtable Meeting. Traders Roundtable Meeting. That is really what we do in there. So if you use Xness, guys, just send me a DM. Send a DM. Send a DM. Someone says, stop trading on demo. Where are my demo squad, guys? We are demo traders. Why are the demo squad? Where are my demo squad? Last 2 weeks or 3 weeks, someone came. And the way people jumped on that guy, it was crazy. Am I in a sell? No, I'm not in a trade yet. I'm not in any trade. Are we selling now? No, guys. You are waiting for the zones on the screen. This all you see here is a daily zone, a daily order block with some confluences inside the zone. That is why we are taking this trade. Sorry, but then we have a buy zone here. We took the buys here in the morning. And then, sorry, we have another buy zone here also. Okay, that is what we are expecting. Someone said we are here. Yes, the demo squad. Why are you guys? I changed my partner to you, but the Telegram bot is saying my account is not linked. It could be because the partner change has not been effected. Sometimes it takes maximum 3 days, okay, for it to reflect. So you'd have to wait for the approval email before the bot can confirm your partner change. Why are you always analyzing gold? Why are you also always on YouTube? Because you like YouTube, right? I also like gold. That is why I'm analyzing gold. But yeah, guys, basically I found my edge with gold. When I started trading, GBP USD was my edge, guys. If you give me any GU setup, I will kill it to perfection. Until I discovered gold and I've stuck with gold. I found my edge with gold and I've stuck with it ever since. I've stuck with gold like glue, guys. BTC seems to be calling me now because I trade it from time to time. But gold is my edge, guys. I have my edge solidified with gold. That's why I love to trade gold mostly. How was your breakthrough like? I don't have a one time that I would say I broke through. Me being profitable was a process. It wasn't like it came boom. I doubt that even happens for people, guys. Okay, it happens for people because some people are able to maybe take a trade. Luckily, they make like 10K or 100K on a trade. Or I know a guy who made $300,000, guys. $300,000 on a trade. Yes, 300K on a trade in 2 days. In 2 days, you won't believe it. Is it in 2 days? Less than 24 hours, actually. It wasn't 2 days because let's say it was a weekend and the following day he had made 300K. 300 freaking K, guys. So that could be breakthrough for some people, but it's not realistic for everyone, okay? It's not realistic. With that money, can you believe what you can do? You can buy your dream cars, your houses, your whatever. Like he made a lot, guys. He made a lot. You can buy some small house here. You get some car here. It's not bad. It's not bad. You can even buy your dream car with that whole money. So yes, I don't have any crazy breakthrough, like a one-time breakthrough into trading. I don't have that story. But then my success was gradual. My profitability was a gradual process, okay? It was gradual. What are your parameters for picking zones? I do that every Monday at 8 a.m. Every Monday at 8 a.m. Fresh Josh. So you can go to my YouTube. Mondays, I have live analysis where I analyze the charts live, the zones live. We analyze some zones on Monday that are actually playing out now. On silver, on BTC, those zones are actually playing. And on USD, they are playing out now. We analyze them on Monday. So you can go and watch my recent live on Monday and just see how I came about the zones. Okay? That's how I pick my parameters. But aside that, you can join the mentorship also. With that, you have me personally. You have my phone number, my personal number, okay? That you can call. You can actually call me. You can call me on phone. I tell my mentees, Call me on phone when you have any issue. Don't even text me. Call me on phone. Let's talk, okay? Because I'm interested in their progress. If you're my mentee, you have my personal number. Like, not my public number. You have my personal number, like my private number. You have it. You can call me at any time with any question. And whenever I want me to jump on a call with you, we will jump on that call. And make sure you get a solution to whatever confusion you have. I'm not in a trade, guys. I'm not in any trade. Not yet. Waiting for the zone here. Maybe we'll do a zone to zone with this sell zone. From the buy zone to the sell zone. Let's see. If the zone doesn't reject and we have a closure above, let me check if we have a closure above it already. Not yet. If you have a closure above this zone, then this area here might be an area of retest for me. Okay? This area here. We need a closure above, then we can have some retest for buys in this area. But let's see. Candle hasn't closed yet. It's gonna close in 9 minutes and some seconds. I want to be a personal trader like you, but I want to build myself with your signals first. You're welcome. Are you in the XNS VIP group or in the paid VIP group? Which one are you in? If price doesn't reject from here, we might have a new buy entry at the same area we had previously. This same area here, we might have a new buy entry from that area, okay? Or maybe this whole area. But let's just see. Let's get the closure first, and let's look out for that. Football league, I might have to mute you for the entire live, okay? Because you're spamming the comments. You're spamming the comments so much. What means the little sing? I don't get you, Scream. What do you mean? Jawit, new zone, madam. I don't have a new zone yet. Until we get a closure above this red line, okay? This red line, the upper one. If you have a closure from there, then maybe we can have a new zone, which is this level, okay? Some form of retracement. Let's see, guys. What do I mean by 700 pips? So 700 pips, pips are simply how many times price has moved, right? It just means percentage in point, or how many times price has moved, or the exchange, the difference in price. That is really what pips mean. So whatever you see here, it means that price has moved 700 points or 7,000. It's complex. But pips is simply relating it to lot size, okay? If you have, let's say, a 0.1 lot size, do you know about lot sizes? The one asking about pips. I don't know how best I can break it down for you unless I actually go deep into showing you how to understand pips. By means percentage in point, it's used to calculate the number of times price has moved from a point to a different point, okay? And this 700 pips just helps us know how many times price has moved. So based on the lot size we use, let's say we use a 0.1 lot size. You know about lot sizes, okay? So if you use 0.1, it means that 0.1 times 10 times 700. The outcome of that, 700, which is the pips here, the outcome of that is how much you'll be making. So if you are in this trade from this zone here with 0.1 or 0.01, 0.01, 700 pips, if you use the formula I gave you, you're going to get $70. If you use 0.1, you're going to get $700. If you use one standard lot, that is $7,000 for you. So pips just helps you to know how many times price has moved. It's a unit, okay, that we add to how many times price has moved. It's like how you say how many watts, okay, for power. Maybe how many watts for this, whatever. Then you say 20 watts. 20 is the number of whatever, the number. The watt is simply the unit. So the 700 here is simply how many times price has moved, and then the unit is pips. It's measured in pips. Is it clear? Or you need mentorship? Let's go, guys. You join the XNS later this month. The XNS is for free, guys. The XNS VIP is for free, okay? You don't need to pay any subscription fee. Let's see if we get some possible entry on gold very soon. But only dependent if we get a closure above the zone. If you don't get a closure above the zone, the sales might still continue. Someone is calling us copy traders. Leave him, leave him. He doesn't know what to do with his life. Just leave him, okay? Just leave him. I'm not even going to block him. It's just a waste of time. I'm trying to look for possible entries on gold at the moment, okay? We need a closure first. We need a closure first. We need a closure above this area first, okay? We need a closure above the red line first. But let's just see. I should repeat the calculations again. Lot size times 10 times, let me just type it in the comment. Lot size times 10 times the number of pips for your stop loss or for your take profits. So that is it, guys. You are very mature. God bless you. If we're others, they'll block you. I block people too. This one doesn't demand blocking. Because some of them are actually very, like, they are newbies. They don't really know much. So if you block them, but they're actually mature traders who come to people's lives just to mess up. I block people a lot. That is, if you come here with negative energy, I'm going to block you, because I always say trading in itself is a stressful thing. It's hard to make money in this market. Our job is one of the hardest way to make easy money. It's one of the hardest way to make easy money. So if you come on the live and you want to make our job hard, hard job harder, then I have to take you out, okay? Are you still using your UK number? No, I'm not. I threw that number away a long time. But currently I don't have a UK number. I threw my UK number away a long time, like 2 years ago. 2 years ago. I don't have a UK number as at now. If someone messaged me with a UK number, that is not my number, okay? When I came back from UK, I just threw the number away. I threw it away. Was it 2 years ago? I went to UK in 2024. Yeah, 2024. I've just thrown the number away. I've just been using my Ghana number. Account number, my UK account number, I don't get it. Do you mean for PayPal? Is that what you mean? If it's for PayPal, just confirm with me first, okay? Just to know that it's not a scammer that is baiting you. I disappeared for 5 minutes and I almost slaughtered my account. Gosh. Someone left the live for 5 minutes and they almost slaughtered their account, guys. Their account started bleeding. I hope the account is alive. Is it still alive? Cassie, is it alive? Okay, you want to find your account first, no problem. The VIP is for free, so if you use XNES, whenever you're ready, you can just join the VIP, okay? Thanks, Abba, just doubled my account. Afro Black, you're welcome, Afro Black. You're welcome. Any plan to introduce the copy trading option? I already mentioned that I'm still testing it out with the live account. Hey, Richard, what's up, Richard? Richard is smashing the markets like no one's business. The moment I came back, I saw $1. I disappeared like wind. Sorry about that. What about Vantage? So if you're in Europe, yes, you can use Vantage to join the VIP. I'll have to personally onboard you with that option, okay? That option is not automated. I have to manually add you on Vantage. So just send, how can you join a VIP? Please send a DM to the WhatsApp number on the screen, okay? If you want to join the paid VIP, there's an option. If you want to join the free VIP, there's an option also, okay? But if you use XNES, the VIP is for free. And for those that are in Europe and some parts of Asia that don't use XNES, yes, you can join with my Vantage link and then join the VIP. If we have a closure above the zone here, this zone here might be valid. But if it's still rejecting from this zone, well, it might come down. It might, because it's already closed. But this area here is what I'm looking at for some possible push-up coming in from this area. Maybe like a short-term push-up or a scalp push-up or something. The area is from 4117.3 to 4108 and 4117.3. I might just be monitoring to see what price would do in that area. But just because we didn't have the closure above, it's quite concerning, because I would want a good closure above the zone here before we look for buys here. If it's rejecting from the red line here that I drew some minutes ago, the sells might come in. We need to close above here with a good candle first before we can conclude on the buys in this zone below. Someone will say, why don't you just enter? I'm a careful trader, guys. I know how to risk my money. Just because we don't have that closure is going to be concerning for me. The sells are also not appetizing for me because I don't have good confluences there. Just about 2 confluences. I don't have good confluences in that sell zone. How do I join VIP for a signal? So you can join the paid VIP if you don't want to use my recommended broker. But if you use XNES, yes, you can join the VIP for free. Just send a WhatsApp to the number you see on your screen, okay? There is a WhatsApp number on the screen. Just send a DM to that number now. Just say, hey, about join VIP. That's all. Hi, Simon from India. Simon, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome, Simon. You're welcome, Simon. I'm from Ghana. You already sent a WhatsApp. I'm going to respond to you, okay? For me to come out. I'm in profits in USD for longs. I'm letting it stay. Interesting. Let me check EU. EU is actually selling from the sell zone we had, guys. From Monday, the sell zone we had, there's been some good reaction from that zone. Good evening, Kwame from Ghana. Are you sure it's evening? Good afternoon, Abba from Ghana. Are you sure it's evening here? It's afternoon here. It's 2 p.m. It's 2 p.m. Someone is shouting W's. 9 straight today. Thank you. Thank you. We caught a good one, guys. We caught a good trade from this zone. You made Benjamins. Awesome. 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 I'm glad people made money today. I'm really glad people made money today. I'm glad you guys made money. I'm glad we are all winning together, guys. We are all winning together. Together. You're welcome. You're welcome, Dio Trent. You're welcome. You made 3K today. That is great. You made good money. That is great. How much is the copy trading system gonna cost? When it's out, you know, okay? This afternoon, I'm waiting on you. Guys, it's the hope that kills, okay? Don't wait on me so much. But I mean, let's hope we catch a good one, guys. The fact that price didn't close above the zone here with the candle is concerning for me. Possible the sales might continue, but there might be just some small retracement here for buys. Just some small retracement. If we had a closure, then the buys would have been valid to push to this zone. But still a closure inside the zone, it's quite concerning for me. Because that's looking like a double top on lower time frames for me. And there were just 2 confluences I had here. I didn't have much confluence here. That's why I didn't take this trade. It's about 2 confluences in that zone. Let's go, people. Let's go. Let's go. You guys won't believe this small move here is 100 pips, like over 100 pips actually. This small movement from the red line to this area, a little over 100 pips. I live in Germany, but I'm from West Africa. I can't open an Nexus account. Can I use a VPN? Definitely. That is what I advise for most of my people. If you want to trade that, then you might need that. But then it's not advisable, you know. But you can still use that if that works well for you, yeah. This song with the heartbeat, let me change it before people start feeling like there's some big loss coming their way. With the heartbeat, boom, boom, it's not good. Let me change it. Let me change the music, guys. Let me change the music. A lot of blown accounts. NFP people will blow their accounts, definitely. People will blow accounts for NFP, most definitely. Did we have some news today? Not tomorrow. No, NFP was today. NFP was today. You take 5 trades a day. If that works well for you, that is fine, okay? One back TV, if that works well for you, that is okay. But I think that is a good win rate. It's not so bad. It's good. It's good. Please, I'm still learning a demo account. Can I guide you? I can guide you, but it would have to be in the mentorship, okay? I can't guide directly from the live always. Ask me what happened when I disappeared for 5 minutes. Kessie blew his account when he left for 5 minutes. Abba, I've tested you on WhatsApp. Can you reply me? I have several messages, guys. I'm going to reply to every single one of them. Every single one of them, guys. Every single one of them. I'm going to reply. Ocean Lab, we would have to check to see market reaction in the zone, okay? We would have to check the reaction of markets in the zone. Because bear in mind, we already broke above this level also. This level here was also a zone that market broke out of. This level here is a structure. So let's see how price reacts in this zone too, okay? It's still valid, but let's see. You need a personal assistant. I have a team. I have a team that helps me. I have an able team that helps me with everything. And they work so hard. You're a big trader worldwide. Thank you. I appreciate it. And amen to that. Amen to that. More Benjamins. Gabi, been a while. How are you? How are you? How are you, Gabi? How are you, Gabi? Gabi the Gabs. I like your name. Guys, I'm seeing all your messages, okay? All your messages, seeing everything here. Kwame, I've seen your message. I've seen your TikTok, your WhatsApp right now, okay? I'm watching it on my screen, but I'd have to wait for the live to end. Then we'll just get into replying, okay? And guys, the way I can interact with everyone is with a VIP. Because on the VIP on Sundays or sometimes during the week, when we meet, I allow everyone to speak. So I get to know you personally. Once you join a VIP, you become like my team member. We get to know you personally. I can check up on you. You can check up on me. We just interact, okay? And I'd love to get in touch with most of you also, just to make, have a nice community of traders to interact with. That is something I never got when I started trading. I was basically on my own. I don't know why price is struggling to get into the zone. No, from the red line, price has sold close to 130 pips. From the red line, 130 pips. 130 pips now. I need to open a Forex restaurant so people can pass through. That would be awesome. Can't wait to join a VIP. I've stayed too long. You're not part of the VIP? Wow. You should be part of the VIP, and it's for free, guys. You don't pay any money to me. It's for a lifetime. You just have to just be active and stay in the VIP. That's all. Are we selling? No, we are not selling. We are waiting to see price reaction in the zone. We are not selling. Even though I had the level there, we are not selling, guys. We ain't selling. I'm not selling. Unless you see good sales in the zone, you can go for it, okay? When exactly is NFP every month? Because in my mind, I thought it's tomorrow. I also knew it was tomorrow. Until last week, I checked and I realized that NFP was on Thursday. And I'm thinking it's because of tomorrow being a holiday. Tomorrow is it 4th July or something? Someone said that in the comments. But it was surprising for me to see that it wasn't tomorrow. Tomorrow is a USD bank holiday, US bank holiday. US bank holiday. So that could be the reason. 4th of July. Yes. Someone said 4th July. Yes. 4th July is a holiday. Oh, it's on Saturday, so it was moved to Friday. Interesting. NFP is first Friday of every month, ideally. But then this particular one, I don't know what happened. People are saying 4th of July. That is why. Trust me, you are special. You don't sound like someone that is after money. I'm not after money here. And I always tell you guys, if I show you my earnings on TikTok, whenever I come live. Now, I've told you guys, once we get to $100 from the giftings and other things you guys give me on the live, we are going to give that money back to the community, right, through a giveaway. Since I started streaming live on TikTok, I've only made $22.39, guys. That is it, $22.39. That is for streaming live for close to 3 or 4 months. Yes, $22. If you like, go and live stream and say we are here for money. We are not here for money, guys. Yeah, tomorrow is a US holiday. You want a new nickname? Your name is already rich. Abba is as honest as it can be. Yes, guys. You have to know the reality. You have to know the reality on ground. Because not everything is as it seems. When you know the reality, you'll be able to make good decisions, okay? You'll be able to make good decisions when you have reality. Oh, but guys, since price is struggling, already I'm very hungry, guys. I was preparing some egg stew and some soup and stuff before I came live for NFP. But guys, it's all good. Our buy zone fetched over 700 pips today. When we get to the sell zone, I'm going to update, or I might come back live. When we get to any of the zones here, I might still come back live. But let's keep an eye on this zone. 4117.6 and 4109.16, okay? That is the area for potential buys. Let's see how market reacts in that zone. Yes, today was good. IO trends. You made $3,000, so definitely I'm sure you're happy. You said you made 3K. I'm sure you're happy. That is good. Abba, you're indeed one in a million. Thank you, Tina. How are you? Are you from Ghana? Are you from Ghana, Tina? Or Benzi? I'm suspecting you're from Ghana. Let's get in touch. Let's get in touch. I should put the zone in the group. Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that after the live, okay? I'll be live for 2 hours, guys. I need to go and eat. I need to go and eat too. But then as I'm going live, every other thing is going to happen in the Telegram channel. So join the Telegram channel, guys. Go to my bio and then tap on the link in my bio to join the Telegram channel. If you're unable to join, you'd have to copy the link. On TikTok, you'd have to copy the link and then paste it in your browser, your Google Chrome or your Safari before you can join the Telegram. If it's still not working well for you, go to YouTube now. I have my Telegram channel on my YouTube bio. Okay? On my YouTube bio, my Telegram channel is there. You can just tap on it and join. On YouTube, it's still Abba Trades, guys. Still Abba Trades. Every update after the live will happen in the